Chris Menard here with one of the most common problems with data in Excel, and that is extra spacing, whether they are trailing, leading, or even in the middle of the words. You can always use the trim function to fix it. I'll just do this quickly. I'm going to call this corrected names, but then I'm going to come in here and use Power Query to fix it. So equal trim, the trim function will remove any extra spaces. So there I go. And I could, if I wanted to, do a copy and paste values. That way always works. My only issue with the trim function is sometimes I'd rather use Power Query because I have a lot of data cleanup besides just trimming extra spaces, and Power Query is a much more efficient way to go. The issue with Power Query, in case you've never used this, is it won't trim the middle extra spaces out of here. So as you can see, I've got extra spaces between Chris and Menard, and also have extra spaces at the very end. Same thing here. Susan Davis has spaces at the beginning, and Al Barnes has extra. So if I just go and use Power Query by default, just letting you know this feature's there. If I right click and go to transform and hit trim, it worked, but it did not get rid of the extra spaces in between the words. So I'm going to turn off this applied step over here. And let's go back to here. I'm back here to names. So here's your answer in case you're wondering, Chris, how did you figure this out? I'm pretty good in Power Query, but I'm by no means an expert at it. So what I did is, for this example, I just happened to have Claude running. I could have used M365 Copilot. Here is my prompt at the top. If you can, if needed, always put examples in your prompt. So I gave it an example of Chris Menard with extra spaces. It came back with two different options for me here. I'm going to go with this one right here. Copy it. I could have also clicked on copy over here, by the way. I'm back in Power Query. So add column, custom column. I called my custom column corrected names. And right here it says your column. What's the name of your column? My column is just called names. Let's fix that. Click OK. There I go. Last step would be go to home and close and load. And there is my corrected spacing using Power Query right there. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day.